Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind this is my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're diving into Regpack, an online registration and payment software found at www.regpack.com. This platform aims to streamline the often complex process of managing registrations, whether for events, courses, camps, or even memberships. Regpack promises a customizable and automated system to handle everything from initial sign-up to final payment. They offer features like flexible form building, automated emails, payment processing, and reporting tools, all designed to save you time and administrative headaches. Their website highlights the benefits of using their software, emphasizing improved efficiency, reduced manual data entry, and increased customer satisfaction. Regpack appears to cater to a variety of organizations, from small businesses to larger institutions, with solutions tailored to different needs and budgets. They also offer a free demo, allowing potential users to explore the software's features and functionality before committing to a subscription. While the site provides a good overview of the platform's capabilities, more detailed information regarding pricing and specific features may require contacting their sales team. From what I've seen, Regpack could be a valuable tool for organizations looking to streamline their registration processes. However, thorough research and a trial run are recommended before making a final decision. This will ensure the software meets your specific requirements and integrates seamlessly with your existing workflows. Consider exploring their client testimonials and case studies for a deeper understanding of how Regpack has benefited other organizations. Remember to check the description for the link to their website. Let me know in the comments if you have any experience with Regpack, or if you have any questions about online registration software in general. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and reviews.